of 3 technology. Okay, it is a much higher technology than the single mode one. And we don't charge a subscription fee or monthly fee for it. Okay, not like your phone, you need to pay the monthly fee, you need to pay the subscription fee. From us, there's no subscription fee, no monthly fee. What you pay is the radio, and the radio is quite durable. Hello, welcome, Frank. The radio is quite durable. Okay, you can just use it for many years. We have the 1-year international warranty for this walkie-talkie. 1-year international warranty. Okay, you can come to us for the after-sales service within 1 year. The same card is also valid, good for 1 year. Okay, how do I listen to what do you want to listen to? Music. EXEL. You want to listen to the FM, right? For this one, I didn't figure out yet. But if you want to listen to the music, you want to listen to the FM, you can choose this one, G8 Plus model. And I will show the G8 Plus now. Okay, the G8 Plus model is also the latest product from global-ptt, and the price is lower than the 528 Plus model. The G8 Plus model is number 2. Let me show. Okay, this is a G8 Plus model. If you want to listen to the music, I think you can listen to the FM radio here. Long press it, number 0. There's FM radio. You can listen to the music here. Just choose the FM channel. Okay, we need to find the channel. Which channel has the music? Which channel is now playing the music? So we can listen to the channel. You need to find it by yourself, because this one just pick up some local frequencies. Okay, pick some local frequencies, and from different city or different country, the frequency may different. Okay, this is the FM radio. We can listen to the FM radio on it. It's number 2. Number 2, you can check the number 2. The price is 210. That is for one. The price for one is 210. Guys, I want to remind, because sometimes they order it, but we don't know. But they don't know how many quantity or they order. You can check here the details. Color: 2 pieces with USA SIM, 2 pieces with USA Mexico SIM, 1 unit with USA SIM. That is the details. 1 unit with USA Mexico SIM, and you can check the picture also. If it's 2 radios, the radio will be ×2. Okay, and if it is 1 radio, the radio will be ×1. Okay, it is different actually. Check the details first before you check out. The price for 2 is 419. Okay, and the price for 1 is 210. Okay, and there is difference with USA and Mexico SIM. We have the USA and Mexico SIM. Okay, I don't think we can get the FM now from American, but I will just try. Okay, you want me set the frequency 96.9. Okay, 96.9. Wait me a moment. I think it is not correct. There are 96.9. Okay, good. There's music. Okay, this is the music here. Yeah, you can listen to the music here. And just set the frequency here. But it's not very clear. I think in American will be better. Okay, this is the G8 Plus. We can listen to the music, but the function of this walkie-talkie is 2. The main function is 2. It's global-ptt and UHF analog mode. This is also a 4G pulsar radios. Do you know what is a pulsar radios or what is a 4G radios? The 4G radios, the technology is based on the 4G signal. And if we have a 4G signal, it will work. But we must join them in a certain group. How to join in a certain group, or how to make groups? Okay, this is our system. This is our platform. You can check here. Manage your agent, manage your company, and manage your user. just manage it through the global-ptt platform. You can just sign in the account, sign in, and then you can go to the company and you can check the company member. You can change their names. Okay, and how to add new members. You know, each radio there is IMEI. We can check the IMEI. There are 50 numbers. This is the IMEI, and add the IMEI in the global-ptt system, and then the radio will be added in the global-ptt system. Okay, this is the how to add new members in the global-ptt system. And here you can see it is it's UHF analog. Okay, it's UHF analog mode. The frequency for it is 350 to 520, 350 megahertz to 520 megahertz. That is a quite wider frequency range. Okay, how do you connect to the internet? Same card. We offer the same card. Okay, this is the same card. We offer the same card. This one is no Wi-Fi, so you need the same card. Okay, in the same card, it will work immediately. We set everything already for you, and before we ship out, actually we're gonna to test it. So it's just a ready to use 4G radios, out of the box and ready to use. You don't need to set it by yourself. Okay, just fix the battery, the antenna, turn it on, it will work. That is very simple. But at the first time when you turn the radio on, it may take 3 to 5 minutes to activate the SIM card, to activate the radio. Just be patiently waiting. Okay, the G8 Plus model, we use the AI noise reduction technology, guys. So if your work is in a very noisy environment, like a construction team, I think the G8 Plus will be very suitable for you. And at some time, and you can listen to the music. Okay, we set it in power saving mode, and this walkie-talkie is very power saving. It has the CTCS tone and DCSN tone. You can set the tone, set the frequency, and it is compatible with the same tone, same frequency walkie-talkie. Okay, there are two PTT buttons, and the two PTT buttons on one side. On left side, it's not like the plus, both side, right and left. This one is on the left. Okay, press the PTT button, send the message, button 1 and button 2. Okay, button 1 and button 2. And there are two antennas, a long antenna and a short antenna. The long antenna is a 4G antenna. The short antenna is the long antenna is UHF antenna. The short antenna is a 4G antenna. You are welcome. Okay, and you can check here A and B. Press A and B, global-ptt and UHF, V and M, channel mode, frequency mode. Okay, we can check the menu. How to set the time? Go to the channel setting. We can set the RX and RX CTCSS, and we can also choose NDCS, okay, or TX CTCSS, NDCS. Just choose it and set it. And offset this direction, we can set it. Okay, that's the two. Normally, only the two functions, the global-ptt and UHF, that we normally use. If you want to listen to the FM radio, long press number 0, the FM radio. We can listen to the FM radio. Please answer. What is your question? Sorry. This is a POC radio. That it to tinky frequency. What frequency you want to set? Tinky. What frequency you want to set here? The frequency here we can set is 350 megahertz to 520. 350 megahertz to 520. You can set any frequency you need on this walkie-talkie as long as between 350 to 520. Okay, we can set any, and then we can set the time. We can set the time. This is a frequency. We can set it any between 350 megahertz to 520 megahertz. Okay. The battery is good for 5 to 7 days. It's 8,800 mAh. The range is more than 5,000 miles. It is a POC radios, POC 4G radios. Do you know what is POC 4G radios? POC means push to talk over the cellular network. How to get the cellular network? The SIM card. Okay, we insert the SIM card, then the radio can connect the cellular tower. It can talk worldwide, just between the team members. It's between the team members worldwide. And if you want to call a random person, the range is 20 kilometers because it's 10 words 4G POC radios. And I will show you the battery. Okay, I'm going to turn the radio off and show you the battery. Then we're going to turn it on. Here is the battery. I'm going to open it. It's very hard. You can see here. This is the lithium battery. It's 800 rand. Okay, it's very durable. And this one we set it in power saving mode. And here is the SIM card. POC plus UHF. POC means push to talk over the cellular network. You can see the SIM card here, right? We insert the SIM card and the radio, it will be ready to use. And the power is 10 watts. Frequency is 350 to 520 megahertz. CE and FCC certificates we get from the US government. Okay, G8 Plus model. Now I'm going to fix it. Okay. There are two antennas. One is for 4G, the other is for UHF, and we can also listen to the FM radio on it. Does it come in pink? Is it made of cake? How many channels? There are 200 channels under the UHF analog mode. Okay, 200 channels. It is storage 200 channels. And under the global-ptt mode, there is no density limit, and we can set 200. Okay, 200 channels. Under global-ptt mode, actually we can set many groups. We can set 100 groups, 200 groups, 500 groups, just as you need. And it's totally encrypted. Nobody can disturb you. Nobody can scam. Okay, nobody can listen to you. Only your group managers. It's end-to-end encrypted, so nobody can scan or monitor. But the public here, public channel, UHF analog channel, is only good for 20 channels or 20 frequencies. The global-ptt channel, there's no limit. Okay, that is POC 4G radios. It's different from the traditional radio. The 4G POC technology is the latest technology for the walkie-talkie. We can talk worldwide, but we need the SIM card, worldwide SIM card. The SIM card actually we offer to you is a global SIM. It covers 174 countries, and you can talk to your team members totally encrypted, and there's no density limit. Okay, but we can only use it somewhere we have the 4G reception. If we don't have 4G reception, it can't work worldwide because it is 4G radios, different from the traditional ham radio or GMS radio, only for short distance, 10 kilometers, 5 kilometers, 20 kilometers. This one is good for 5,000 miles. Okay, we can talk from United States to London. We can talk from United States to Japan, to Africa. It's just like your phone, but it's quite different from your phone because it is walkie-talkie, clear and loud voice. Let me test the voice for you, okay? Clear and loud voice. Let me test it. Member. We will choose to make a single call. Go to member 1. We mark member 1. Okay, we mark member 1. We mark member 1 and talk to member 1. Okay, now the two radios are in a temporary group. So I'm gonna to use the G6 Plus module to talk to the G8 Plus module. We make a single call so you can check the voice. 1, 2, 3, 4. We make it a louder voice. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you hear me? Good night, guys. Good night, guys. Clear and loud voice. What games does it include? This is only good for talking. There's no games on it. Okay. It's not an Android walkie-talkie. The system we use is iOS system. It's not Linux. It's not Android. It's iOS system. It's good for communication only. It is for professional use. It's for professional use. Okay.
global-ptt1.
Okay, now just this is a temporary group. This one's a G8 Plus model. The G8 Plus model actually in our live or in our shop, I recommend this one best. Okay, it is the best UHF analog mode radio. It works under global-ptt and UHF. Global-ptt, we also call it POC mode or 4G mode. 4G, we need a 4G signal, 4G reception. And the same card, guys, we offer to you, it offer the 4G reception, offer the 4G signal. You can order our SIM card and order the radio together if you need it. Because when you order the radio, we're going to include the SIM card for you. Just after 1 year, renew SIM or buy new SIM from us. Okay. In the global-ptt private channel, we can set many channels, more than 200 channels. Okay, and under the UHF analog mode, we can set 200 channels on it. It storage 200 channels. It's 4G pulsar radios plus UHF analog, global-ptt and UHF analog. You know, we just combine these two technology together in one radio. It's not just add on 1 plus 1 and then it equals to 2. Okay, we just add the two technology together. So 1 plus 1, it will be bigger than 2. Yeah, that is what we do. The 4G reception for this one is very stable and it's global band. Even you like travel around, you can use this walkie-talkie to talk worldwide. Okay, and you can see here there's a 4G reception. There you can see here there is the UHF analog. The UHF analog mode is also much better than the single mode UHF analog than the other brand because it is a 2-in-1 radios. It also can get some 4G signal here. Yeah, so it is a worldwide range, much stable and quite powerful one. And in the time, if we're not busy, we can also listen to the FM radio. We can listen to the music here. Yeah. Or you can just check. We can listen to the news. We can listen to the music. We can listen to the talk show here. But if you have, I'm not sure actually. Here we have the music and the news, and we have some talk show on the radio. Just choose the frequency you want to listen to. Okay, and then you can set the frequency and you can listen to the frequency. What shows they have now. The G8 Plus model, I'm going to pass it. If you like this one, you can order it from our shop. And next one, guys, I'm going to show. Hello, James Miller. Welcome. How are you and where are you from? This is our live channel to introduce the global-ptt radios. And all the global-ptt radios I show in our live, they are researched and developed by global-ptt. Okay, so we don't have the other brand. All the radios here, they are global-ptt brand. And you can find us by search global-ptt, that is us. The others are not us. Okay, with global-ptt brand, that is us. The others, whatever global-ptt, whatever design they are not us. Only this one with global-ptt logo, with global-ptt brand, they are us, global-ptt. Okay. This one's a G6 Plus model. Yeah, this is a G8 Plus, G6 Plus model. It's metal radios. Okay, G6 Plus model is the first and the only metal radios, the single mode one with SOS and GPS. The other radios, they have SOS and GPS, but they are not made from metal. The metal radios has a better, clear, loud voice and better sound. Okay. It is much durable because its material is metal. It is made from metal. Okay. Press the PTT button. We can send the message out. Okay. Press the PTT button. Send a message out to the team member. And let me show you my team members here. I have 57 members now in my team. I just joined them to my team, and I can talk to them if they are online. Okay, I can talk to them if they are online. It only shows the members who are online now. Okay, just talk to the team member. No matter where they go, as long as we have the 4G reception, we can talk to them. Okay, you don't need to worry about the distance. I stay here 3 kilometers apart. Can we talk each other? Okay, I stay here 5 kilometers. Can we talk each other? You don't need to worry about that. Okay, as long as you get the 4G reception, even we are in different country, you can talk. We can talk each other. If you don't trust me, I think you can just buy one. You can try the G6 model because the price is only $130 to join here in Global PTT1 group, or I will just join you here in NYCPD group. Okay, or I will just join you here in NYCPD group. Then you can talk to me. You can just talk to the other members. Okay, we have some other members here online. Okay, David is our old friend. He's online. We can just talk to him. We can just talk to the others. Mustafa. Okay, and Tony. Okay, Eric. If they are online, we can talk to them no matter where they are. As long as you get the 4G coverage, you can use it to talk. Okay, so it is very convenient, especially for the big company. You want to use this walkie-talkie for your business, but you don't need to pay the expensive monthly fee for it, or you don't need to pay the subscription fee for it. You pay the radio, and then you pay the SIM card, and the SIM card actually is a prepaid SIM card. It's a 4G prepaid SIM card. We load enough data for you to use in the whole year. Okay. And if you will use it for the whole year, after 1 year, the SIM card expires, you come to us to renew the SIM card or to reload. Okay, before it expires, you can reload. But if it expired already, it can't be reloaded anymore. Just buy new SIM. The new SIM and the reload SIM, they are same price, same $35. Okay. The G6 Plus model actually is an FBA product from us for now. If you want to order it, you can search G6 Plus from our web, or you can come to me to inquire it from me. I will show you how to order it. We can accept PayPal payment for it. Okay, I'm going to pass the G6 Plus model and show another model, which is our popular product, the 5288 model. The 528 model is very popular. You know, before the 528 Plus come out, it is the best seller. Okay, there are two colors, black color and green color. This one is the best seller before. It is global PTT and UHF analog. Okay, we can set the frequency on it. Global PTT is totally private. UHF analog, it is public. We can set them in the same frequency, in the same channel, okay, in the same time. The radios, they can talk to each other. But the global PTT is for global use. UHF is for local use. The UHF for this one, 528 model, is 8 word, so it will not work like the 528 Plus. Maybe 10 kilometers only. But if you want it to talk longer distance, I think you can just change a long antenna, or change a long antenna, or connect it to a ham radio repeater. This one has a repeat mode too. It is our best seller. Here's the channel setting. You can set the frequency, RX frequency, TX frequency, and here's the sub audio, TX, DCSN. You can see here TX and RX, they are different. Okay. We can set it by ourselves. 69. Okay, just set it. It's not very hard. It's easy. Choose the one you want to talk into. This is sub audio, or this is a tone. Radio setting. Set the radio. Yeah, but if you don't know how to do that, you can come to me, come to the customer service to inquire about it. Okay, it is one of our best seller. And for now, you can check if we have coupon. If you have coupon, you can use your coupon to order it. Link number 1, link number 5, we just compare the two radios. There are different models actually. Link number 5, it is a dual band, global PTT and UHF. Link number 1 is 3 standby, global PTT, UHF, and VHF. You know, the technology we use it on it is not just 1 plus 1 it will become 2. Okay, it's 1 plus 1, it will become 3, become 4, become 5. So the technology is not so simple. So that's why the price of our radios is a little bit different with the $20, $30. This one's $500, okay, and this one's $300 above. But it is really a high quality one. And when you push to talk, even the two radios, they are very near. Okay, there is no other noise. It's still very clear. Okay, clear and very good sound, high quality sound. Okay, we can talk from one country to another. It's just like a face to face. One instant, one click, we can achieve the instant communication. There's no delay. Okay, you click it, and the other radio, it can get the message immediately. Okay, another difference between the big radio and the small one, the big screen one is the small screen one, is about the SOS and the GPS. Okay, this one is with SOS and GPS, and this one is there's no GPS. But you can choose the one with there's no SOS, but you can choose the one with GPS function. It's GPS function. There are two versions. You can choose one with GPS, or you can just choose one without GPS. The price will be different. Okay, but this one, link number one, only one version. It is with GPS function. Okay, press the PTT button, message, button 1, button 2. Okay, 3 standby. If you want the UHF and GPS, choose number 1. If you don't need VHF and GPS, you can choose the link number 5. Link number 5 is global-ptt, UHF, and GPS. You can choose the one with GPS or without GPS. With GPS, the price will be a little bit higher. How to use the GPS function, guys? You can just see here. If you own a radio with GPS function and you want to use the GPS function, you can just change in the location of the radios. That is very convenient for the group manager. You can just use the dispatch account to check in the location of your radios. And if you choose this one, you can also get the SOS information just through the maps, through the dispatcher. Okay, here is the global-ptt two-way radios. They are all POC radios. POC means push to talk over the cellular network. Those small radios, they are single mode. Okay, and this one is a single mode. The small radios, they are single mode. The big radios, they are dual mode, 3 mode. Okay, dual mode is global-ptt plus UHF. 3 mode is global-ptt, UHF, and VHF, 3 standby. You know, the technology of these big radios is not only a simple 1 plus 1 plus 1, it becomes 3. It is 1 plus 1 plus 1, but it becomes 4, becomes 5, becomes 6. It's much powerful than the simple single mode one. Okay, so that's why the price of the radio is a little bit higher than the normal radios, than the normal ham radios. The price for this one is 500 above, but for normal ham radio, maybe it only costs you $30, $50. Okay, this one is a high quality 4G radios. If you are boss of the team or you are leader of the team, I think you can just try this one. And compared to motor, like actually the appearance is very similar, but our technology actually are totally different. Compared to motor, they use the P25. This one is 4G. Okay, it's end-to-end encrypted. So only you and your team member can listen to you, can receive a message. And our technology is totally based on the 4G reception. If you have 4G reception, you can talk worldwide. If you don't have 4G reception, it's just the same your ham radios. Your $40, your $50, your $100 radio, just the same like this one. But we are 3 standby, so the price is not 100 or 200. For this one, for one is 290, and for two is 580. Yeah, but if you have a coupon, you are a new user, the price it will be lower. This is our popular items, and today I show 3 new items which are researched and developed by global-ptt. The first one is 528 Plus model, 3 standby. And the second is G8 Plus model 2 standby, which is also the best UHF analog mode radio from global-ptt. Yeah, it is a wider frequency range, and we can listen to the FM radio on it. Okay, and then the third one is the G6 Plus model. The G6 Plus model is a much simple, but we also add the SOS and the GPS on a metal radios, so it is still a high quality one. Our radio is for professional use, especially if you have a cross-border team, you have an international business, this walkie-talkie is quite suitable for you. We're just doing a worldwide business. Okay, and we can talk worldwide, international. This one is G6 Plus. We will just do the last review. Do you have any reviews, guys, you want to say? You can tell me so I can review here for you. If no more, I'm going to review the V1 model. Okay. The V1 model. The V1 is in link number 10. Okay, the V1 model is in link number 10. I think recently some guys just get some fake global-ptt radios because their price is quite low. This one is V1 model. The V1 model, actually we have two versions. One is with GPS, the other is without GPS. I got to connect the power supply to show. Okay. If you want to use it inside the car, actually I suggest you choose the one with GPS function. Maybe the price it will be a little bit expensive, but it's much useful than the one without GPS. The one without GPS is cheaper. Yeah, with GPS the price will be a little bit higher, but not very high actually. We don't charge a monthly fee or subscription fee for this one. Yeah, it is a single mode 4G radios. Okay, I just connect the power supply. It is a USB power supply, and we set 3 languages in the system. Compared to the old version, this one is 3 languages now. Okay, come to the menu. Okay, go to the setting. We go to the display setting. Here is a language setting. English, Spanish, and Portugal, 3 languages. English, Spanish, Portugal, 3 languages here in the system. Can you see clear? Yeah, in the system. And there is a SOS function. Long press SOS button. The SOS alarm, it will be on. SOS. Okay, long press it. You can hear the voice, right? And on the other video, they will also show V1. Okay, V1. Okay, it will show which radio is now in SOS mode, and it will just also show the location. Let me show you here. It also show your location. Where are you? So it can see your life. That's the SOS on the V1 model. V1 model, it is single mode 4G pulsar radios. We can achieve the international call with it. It's good for worldwide use. Okay, because it's global band. We insert the SIM card, it will be ready to use. This is the SIM card. We post a video which has 1 million users view it, and they love this one very much. Okay, our price we can offer. If you are a dealer, we can offer you a good price. If you want to try one or try one pair, now you can check our shop. Okay, it is a V1 4G pulsar radios, push to talk over the cellular network, and you can use it to talk to your team member. You can use it as a landline at home, and you can also use it inside your car. Yeah, it's very convenient. The head mic we're going to offer to you for free. If you order 2 radios, we will offer you the common account. So you can just use the common account to manage the radios by yourself. And change the name. Okay, you can divide them in different small groups. That is the common account. Okay. Just the last 1 minute. Thank you so much for today, guys, to come to our live. Just the last 1 minute to answer your questions. If no more questions, we're going to finish the live. Okay. Going to turn it off. And turn all the radios off. And for this one, if you want to turn it off, it can't be because it is designed for the car use. So you need to cut the power supply. Like you turn the engine off of your car, it will be automatically off. Okay. For me, I'm going to remove the USB power supply. It will be off automatically. This is a USB. Okay, this is a USB power supply. Remove it, it will be automatically off. Okay, turn it off. The head mic is for free. Okay, we don't charge the head mic. Thank you so much, guys. Good night. Bye bye.让他放门口吧。